Hello viewers, welcome to EduTube. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to write or approximate or correct two significant figures. Now, before we delve into solving our examples, it is important we understand that all figures are significant except 0. What does that mean? It means that all figures are meant to be considered when counting a significant figure except 0. So this first example says correct 57,602,861 to two significant figure. So basically, to do that, we are just going to count the first two numbers because they are significant figures, set as we said that all figures are significant to be considered first except what? 0. So correcting this number to two significant figures means we'll pick the first two numbers to two significant figures, and then all the other numbers will be converted to zeros. So will be evaluated to 0, and then the nearest number to the first two significant figure will consider whether it is between 0 to 4. If it's between 0 to 4, it's going to give out nothing, and if it's between 5 to 9, it's going to round up or give out 1. So the nearest number to this 7 to the first two significant figure is 6. So it's going to give out 1 to this 7, and then the 7 will become what? 8. So our answer will be 57,602,861 will become 58 million because we are giving 1 to this 7 and it's becoming what? 8. So it's going to become 58 million. As we said, the rest of the digit or the rest of the figures return to 0. So 58 million. So to two significant figure. Then the second example is 612.689 to three significant figure. Don't forget, all figures are significant or are meant to be considered first except what? 0. So the three significant figures mean we count the first three digits or the first three figures, and the rest of the figures will be evaluated to 0. However, the nearest number to the figures we are considering will also consider that whether it is between 0 to 4 or it is between 5 to 9. So the nearest number to the figures we are considering is 6. So it is between 5 to 9. So it's going to give out 1 to these 2, and then these 2 will become what? 3. So we have 613, and then the rest of these digits will become what? 0. So 612.689 to three significant figure will become 613, because all of these now are now 0, and 0 after a point is irrelevant or is not needed. Okay, so the third example says 0.026897 to one significant figure. Now remember, all figures are significant except 0, so we cannot consider this 0. This 0 starting this number, we are not considering them. So the first number that is meant to be considered as significant is what? Is these 2. So we are starting our consideration from these 2, and they said just one significant figure, so just only this. So then we put a demarcation. So all the numbers after these 2 will be evaluated to 0, and then the nearest number to this first significant figure will be considered whether it is between 0 to 4 or it is between 5 to 9. So it is between 5 to 9, so it's going to give out 1 to these 2. So 1 plus these 2 will become what? 3. So we write this 0.0. So our answer 0.026897 to one significant figure will become 0.03. So that is that about rounding off or correcting to significant figures. If you are new to this channel, please kindly click on the subscription button below this video to get notified of more academic lessons like this. And if you are a returning subscriber, we say a big thank you for your love and support always. I will see you in the next lesson.